This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center for opening day of the 2025 Jacksonville RV Megashow. The 2025 Jacksonville RV Megashow has officially opened, showcasing the latest and greatest in RVs, trailers, and motorhomes. This year's event brings together the largest collection of RVs in Northeast Florida. We have the best new 2025 RVs on display, each offering a unique combination of comfort, innovation, and adventure-ready features. Spanning acres of display space, the show highlights everything from luxurious Class A motorhomes with their spacious living areas and cutting-edge technology to the most compact and efficient camper vans that make travel easier than ever. No matter your preferred style of travel, this show has something to match your needs. For families seeking room to spread out, Class C motorhomes with their built-in sleeping quarters and convenient floor plans provide the perfect combination of space and flexibility. Fifth wheels stand out with their larger-than-life designs, offering extra living space and home-like features for those who want to stay on the road for extended periods. We have towable RVs of all types. The options seem endless. From lightweight travel trailers, perfect for weekend getaways, to destination trailers, which are truly a home on wheels, and rugged toy haulers built to carry all your gear. We even have lightweight toy haulers for easy towing adventures. Teardrop trailers offer a minimalist approach for those looking to hit the road with ease and efficiency, while truck campers bring off-road capabilities for adventurous travelers with an impressive amount of living space. The show features 40 vendor booths packed with accessories to enhance your RV lifestyle. Expert vendors are on hand, from RV resorts and mobile techs to financing options. Don't forget to register for a chance to win a $250 gift card. We're giving one away every day of the show. For those seeking new adventures, the Jacksonville RV Megashow provides the perfect opportunity to explore the RV lifestyle and see the latest models up close. The diversity of options allows every type of traveler, from casual weekenders to full-time road warriors, to find the RV that best suits their needs. The Jacksonville RV Megashow is the place to be for RV enthusiasts of all kinds. Whether you're looking to purchase your first RV, upgrade to a new model, or simply explore the possibilities, the event is packed with everything you need to turn your dream of life on the road into a reality. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the latest RV models, meet industry experts, and discover everything the RV world has to offer. The 2025 Jacksonville RV Megashow is being held at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center February 6th through 9th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and Sunday from 9 to 4. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of amazing Florida attractions, RV resorts, and state parks. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.